Cancer. Just hearing the name scares people. But my friends, the real reason for fear is not cancer itself. The real reason is late detection. Let me start with a shocking fact. Every year, more than 9 to 10 lakh new cancer cases are detected in India. Nearly 70% of these cases are diagnosed in advanced stages when the cancer has already spread, and treatment becomes extremely difficult. But there is another side to this truth. If cancer is detected early, the survival rate becomes 80 to 90%. That means cancer is not a death sentence. It's a challenge that can be defeated with early action. The real problem is that people ignore the signals their body gives. Cancer does not suddenly explode inside the body. It sends warnings again and again, but we brush them off as acidity, stress, weakness, or gas, and by the time the symptoms become severe, it's already too late. This video is not to scare you. My goal is to wake you up, because if you understand your body's signals, you can literally save your life. What exactly is cancer? Our body has trillions of cells. Each cell grows, works, and dies on time. This natural death is called programmed cell death or apoptosis. This balance keeps your body healthy. But in cancer, this balance collapses. Some cells start avoiding cell death. They multiply uncontrollably, like a group of cells that follow no rules. They want to grow at any cost, even if it damages the entire body. When this growth stays in one place, it forms a benign tumor. But when the growth becomes aggressive and spreads, it becomes a malignant tumor, the real cancer. This malignant tumor can invade nearby organs or travel through blood and lymph to distant organs. This spreading is called metastasis. This is why early-stage cancer is easier to treat, because it's still confined. But once it spreads, treatment becomes complex and survival rates drop sharply. 10 warning signs of cancer. Never ignore these. 1. Unexplained weight loss and loss of appetite. If you lose 10% or more weight in 6 months without trying, that is a red flag. Cancer cells steal nutrients for their own growth, leaving your normal organs deprived. Weight falling without reason is not magic. It needs medical evaluation. 2. Persistent fever and night sweats. Fever that keeps coming back for weeks or months, especially with night sweats, can indicate lymphoma, blood cancer, or a hidden malignancy. Normal infection fever resolves in 5 to 7 days. Long fever equals investigate. 3 lumps or swelling in the body. A hard, painless, persistent lump in the breast, testicles, armpit, or neck should never be ignored. Cancer lumps often do not cause pain. Monthly self-exams are life-saving. 4. Skin changes and non-healing wounds. If a mole changes shape, color, border, or size, follow the ABCDE rule. A. Asymmetry. B. Border irregular. C. Color changing. D. Diameter increasing. E. Evolving. If any wound on skin or inside the mouth does not heal in 3 to 4 weeks, get it checked immediately. 5. Persistent cough or hoarseness. A cough lasting more than 3 weeks, not responding to medicines, or voice becoming hoarse can indicate lung or throat cancer. If cough includes blood, urgent evaluation is needed. 6. Unexplained bleeding. Any abnormal bleeding is a red alert. Blood in stool, colon or stomach cancer. Blood in urine, bladder or kidney cancer. Blood in cough, lung cancer. Vomiting blood, serious GI or liver disease. Irregular vaginal bleeding, early sign of cervical or uterine cancer. Never ignore any abnormal bleeding. 10. Difficulty in swallowing, dysphagia. If food feels stuck or swallowing becomes difficult for more than 6 weeks, it may indicate esophageal or stomach cancer. This is one of the most commonly ignored symptoms. 8. Change in bowel or bladder habits. Sudden, consistent changes such as persistent constipation or diarrhea, black or tarry stools, pencil-thin stool can be signs of colon cancer. Frequent urination or weak urine stream may indicate prostate issues or prostate cancer. 9. Persistent pain, fatigue, and non-healing ulcers. Normal pain improves with rest. Cancer-related pain is persistent, unexplained, and keeps worsening. Chronic fatigue that remains, even after rest, is another major warning sign. 10. Shortness of breath without reason. If you get breathless even without exertion, or have chest tightness for weeks, it may indicate lung cancer or blood cancer, leukemia. Why are cancer cases increasing in India? Unhealthy diet and processed food, smoking and alcohol, lack of cancer screening, ignoring early symptoms, late medical evaluation. People check BP and sugar every year but avoid cancer screening, and that delay becomes deadly. The truth you must remember: cancer is not a silent killer, it is a sign-giving disease. Your body warns you again and again. The danger is not the disease. The danger is our ignorance. The good news: if caught early, 90% of cancers are curable, so respect your body's signals. Never ignore persistent symptoms, and if something feels wrong, see a doctor without delay. Share this video. A single share can save someone's life. Thank you.